Okay, hello once again, and greetings from Japan. What do we have here? We have a 2009 December Toyota Alphard. It's the GL version. It's 3.5 GL. So it's the top of the range, the one with full beige leather interior, and it also comes with the full dealer option Modellista aero kit, which looks really nice. And we have put on some 18-inch black and silver TRD Toyota Racing alloys, which we think kind of suits the car. This originally, the factory car comes with rather boring 16-inch wheels and no kit. This one, if you're looking for something a little different, this is the one. It's also got a very nice optional grille. There again, I think it matches your overall image of the car. Otherwise, the car is standard. As far as I can, I think the muffler's standard. Of course, it has sunroofs, and again, just a very nice, proper, clean car, inside and out. So, what did I say? Oh yeah, 40,000 miles. It's only got 40,000 miles, 65,000 kilometers. Yeah. I have to remember all these things. 40,000 miles, 65,000 kilometers. So it's got very nice mileage for the age of the car. Okay. Again, just as I say, very clean, a very clean body. And nice alloys. See, all the doors are remote, including the rear, what we call the rear gate. Hang on, is it locked? Oh no, yeah, okay, it's unlocked. Okay. Okay, it's the V6 with full beige leather, and as you can see, it's got rear entertainment, it's got the premium sound system, very clean headlining, in full beige leather. The extra third headrest is in the pocket, and just very nice. Okay, close the door. And yeah, you can see nice, straight, unmarked rear bumper, no little unpleasant dings. Very pretty car and very well maintained. I think it came with standard, I think standard 17-inch wheels, I think. I forget. This model actually is getting more expensive since we bought this one, in fact. I mean, generally, used car prices here in Japan are on the increase, as I believe they are everywhere. There's a shortage of nice cars, and the waiting list for new cars is, in some cases, for some models, is just years rather than months. So anything with this kind of mileage in this condition, the domestic market is very interested. So we are competing with the domestic market. Again, 2009 December, 40,000 miles. It's the GL. Okay, let's take a look at the rear. So all the doors are remote, with the full beige leather interior, which is rather nice. I must say I do prefer leather seats. Rear entertainment. Nice clean carpets. And as I've mentioned many times, these GLs don't come with this handle. It's just usually a cover on here, a plate. For some reason, which we don't know why, Toyota factory doesn't put the handle on, which allows for the sideways moving of the seat, which allows you to move the seat a lot further back into the car. Anyway, we put those on because we think it's a convenient thing to have. It's, let's move this seat. I'm going to put the seat down a second. Put the camera down a second. Move the seat. Oops, my cord. And of course, as always, there is a Dropbox link with 60 plus photographs of everything, every angle of the car, including numerous shots of the underneath to show you how clean that is. Yep, that was just a really nice example. And of course, it comes with 2 smart keys. All our cars come with 2 smart keys. Even if the auction only gives us 1, we make another one. And it has keyless entry. If the smart key is in your pocket, it automatically unlocks. All right. Here we've got just unmarked door card. This one has the memory driver's seat positions, 3 different positions for you and your spouse, your girlfriend, your partner, whoever. And let's see. Oh yeah. And the seat is, actually, it looks brand new. It looks like it could have come out of the factory. I mean, it couldn't have come out of the factory any better than that. You can see. Of course, the front seats and the second row seats are all powered. It's getting hot out here. August in Japan. It has LED, optional LED interior lights, which are really nice. They're really bright. Okay, turn the ignition on. You can see the mileage there, 65,000. 65,000. Turn that off. I was never hear anything. 65,000 kilometers or 40,000 miles. Okay, start the ignition. It's the V6 engine, and as you can see, all the warning lights are off. And the keys down here. This one has reverse camera, of course, with guidance. And, thank you. And is, of course, a non-smoker. This has the additional optional little extra glove box. And this little section here. This is the standard box. And that slides forward. So you've got another box back here. And somebody's notebook in here. Oh, can't see that. And these are the lock nut adapters. They'll be obviously mailed to you. Or I think we have to hide one in the car in case there's a flat. But anyway, that'll all be itemized and instructed whoever buys it, so you know exactly what's happening. The manuals, a little glove box there. The interior controls for the slide doors, the rear gate and the sunroof. The remote, the rear remote isn't showing, but anyway, it has the proper rear remote. Again, that will be sent by mail. We don't like to leave those kind of things in the car, just in case thieving fingers can happen. The steering wheel has the audio controls and the phone Bluetooth controls on the steering wheel. Of course, it has heated front seats. It has automatically folding mirrors, and of course it has parking sensors. Yeah. Always a point to mention, the dash is very clean and is not sticky. On this model, a sticky dash is not uncommon, so if you are buying one of these from a dealer, do check it. Sometimes it's only at the very front, under the bottom of the windscreen, so you might not notice it. So just something to check, to be aware of. Also, the steering on these can be a little bit loose. The gearing goes. This one's perfect. Just there again, something to check. It's a part that we change. We change them if it has a problem. This one doesn't have it. Probably about 30 to 40% of them, depending on the mileage, have it. So we change it before before we advertise them. Okay. Anything else? Of course, it has cruise control. Some of these things are kind of standard. Cruise control. Pretty much all these have cruise control. Yeah, I think that's about it. And automatic wipers and lights. They're both automatic. Yeah, I think that is it. Just anyway, a very, very clean interior. Very nice car. Very, very well maintained car. And of course, auction grade 4. It's much cooler outside. Let's take a look at the engine. This model actually is fairly rare in black. It's pretty much predominantly these cars come in pearl white, and so black ones are fairly rare. In fact, we very rarely get them, especially with a full Modellista kit. So if you are looking for one of these, then I wouldn't drag your feet, because they're hard to come by. If you want the top of the range of this particular model, this is it. And where are we? Grade 4. This was from a USS auction. Grade 4 with a C interior. I'm not sure why it's C, except it is leather, and they're very cautious about giving high grades for leather interiors. Actually, Japanese are not that keen, especially on second-hand leather for some reason. And they didn't like it at all for years. I've heard, references to sitting on dead animals. So it's a bit strange, but now it's become very popular. Now it's A lot of models offer leather. So as you can see, it's a 2009 December with 65,000 kilometers, which is 40,000 miles. And again, just a nice clean car. The XX there would indicate that the wing has been taken off or possibly changed. The paint is absolutely fine. Couple of tiny little dings on the roof, but dents, soft dents on the roof. There again, nothing. You can see photographs of the roof on Dropbox. Nothing that you can really see. Just, yeah, it's a nice, proper grade 4 example. So, let's see. 2009 December with 40,000 miles. Yeah, with the rather nice, slightly blingy looks. So yeah, if this car interests you, please do talk to Paul at Japan Auto-Agents, and he can guide you through the process of purchasing it, and we can arrange the shipping to the UK. Anyway, thanks again for watching, and we'll speak soon. Bye for now.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or on mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@japautoagent.com.